Jesus has told us something at the end of this reading. Do you not understand? He has also said something before that. Having eyes, having ears, you do not see, you do not hear. What is he saying to us? Are you really present? How should we be present? Where must we be focused? We must be focused on Jesus, not on self or not on things. These are creatures. So our focus should not be on creatures, but on the Creator. And if we are on the Creator, then he says, did you not see how when there were so many people, I took the initiative and I asked you to give them something to eat, and you said, 5 bread, 2 fish. Bring them here. Blessed and gave it to them, and everyone received in plenty. They had to collect so many baskets full of bread. 7,000, 4,000 people who have eaten. So what did you understand from that? That it is not on the food, it is on me and my word that you should be focused on. Now when Adam and Eve was created, we have seen during these days how they did not keep to what God had told them. They did not keep to the word, and they went away from God by being focused on self. And that is how they lost what they were supposed to be by God's plan for them, to conform to His likeness and image. We cannot do this on our own. We have to do it by being present to God, by listening, by seeing what He is saying and doing to us. And Noah was one of them who had kept to this promise. He kept faithful to God, and that is why he was found righteous. And because of this, God also saved him and the others, so that we could make a new beginning